Hey guys, I thought I'd try something new this time and do a quick video walk around of this new custom build we did. This truck, being a custom build doesn't mean expensive. This truck we did 2 custom options to make the truck safer and more efficient for them in the field while they do the job. Big thanks to Northwest Cedar Fence Company in the Chicagoland area for trusting me to build this, and to Highway Truck Equipment and Zach Gailey for getting it completed in less than a week. We'll go around and highlight the 2 options we did. The 2 options we added to this were the light bar up top of the bulkhead. The whole point of that is just to keep it well lit when they're starting early in the morning, working well into the night. The other option we did was a curbside toolbox. Typically in North Iowa we do it on the driver's side. For this one I put it over here because they're in the suburbs and right along the road. We want to make sure their team's safe and not standing in the street trying to get straps out or anything like that. If you're looking for something similar to this, I've got Ford F-550s, F600s, Ram 5500s, and Chevy 6500s in stock right now, waiting for your build. Till the next one.